I love to create, I love to explore possibilities and kind of like push boundaries. I mean, then that's one of the many reasons I found myself exploring the world of entrepreneurship.
We see ourselves as a voice and green champion. Hence, these videos are not just for our clients and also for the greater public to learn and deploy some of our methods.
I would like to invite the world to know Singaporeans are united by nice food. In this animation MTV, we have this local dessert, rice kacang. Local dessert might just be a street food in casual dining, but it illustrates a multicultural heritage of a hungry metropolis.
I believe good architecture should be approached with an acute sensitivity that is tuned to the people who will be using it.
In 5 months, we built several iterations of the U table for Mr. Chi, keeping our design agile to constantly carry out design modifications.
We believe that by creating a system where recycling is crowdsourced and collection is distributed but organized, we can fix the current system of recycling.
Many initiatives that you can look forward to in the coming years. So join us now in this journey to co-create a better future.
We supported the renovation of homes for the less fortunate. We were most glad to be able to revitalize not only their homes but their lives too.
That we created is amazing, and that's really embracing the whole notion of community on a larger scale.